day.
This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And X-shaped kibble for clean teeth. Our new food includes even more of these things, and lots of other good stuff dogs need, because we believe every dog deserves leading nutrition. From wet nose to wiggly butt.